Hey everyone, this is Gigi. The machine I have here is a SEARS Kenmore 385.1261290 model. This is the first 385 series model I've ever worked on. And I want to say up front, I'm not a professional technician. This is a hobby for me, and I've been working on and tinkering with sewing machines for a little over 2 years now. And the problem I was having with this one is when it was set on straight stitch center homing, it was giving me a zigzag. It did a great straight stitch when it was set on left homing, but not on center homing. So what I wanted to show you today is what I did to fix it, and I have a separate video on how I opened up the machine casing, and if you'd like to see that, you can look on my page. But when I opened up this one and started moving the knobs, is what you do, gently move the knobs, figure out what should be moving and what's not moving. And I saw that this cam follower right here, which is also, people refer to it as the finger, but this little cam follower was not moving when I switched it from center homing to left homing. It was just staying in the left homing position, I should say. And let's see if I can get a little better light here. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, if nothing else, it's centered a little bit better. I hope you can see that. Let me tip it forward a little bit. Yeah, maybe you can see that a little bit better. I don't know if I can hold it and show you too, but this cam follower right here was stuck. It was staying when I would move from left homing position to center homing on the selection knob, it just did not move. So what I did was, I knew it needed a deeper cleaning at that point, and I used 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and that dissolved. There was old white lithium grease in here that I had missed the first time I opened it up, because yes, this is the second time I opened this booger up, and I had missed some, and the mechanism that follows along and through here is what controls the little cam follower here, and it was real gunky and needed a deeper cleaning. So point is, I wanted to show you, in case you have the same kind of problem of something on these special stitches right here, and it's just not moving. Your insides, this is the internal cam stack back here, the insides and the cam follower could be locked up and just need a deeper cleaning. You do want to be careful because you don't want to force any of your knobs, so you need to be sure of that. Be gentle and just see what is working. Watch what you see moving when you find the part that's working, and then switch it to another setting, and you follow and you look and see what's not moving. So that's pretty much how I learned. I hope that's helpful. My go-to is always 91 or 99% isopropyl alcohol. I also like to use a product called Blue Creeper, and I do have other stronger ones. I prefer the spray lubricants if I have to go to something stronger, because I just think they cover better than the ones that are little drops. But a lot of people don't want to spray this stuff either, so that's a whole different video. If you'd like to see a cleaning video, just let me know. But on this particular model, I was able to solve my problem by a deep cleaning, and then I got my cam follower right here to move appropriately up and down the internal cam stack so that it will change stitches. And now the machine functions as it should and gives me a straight stitch when it's at center homing position. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.